Hi, welcome to myprojectbudget.com. Now we are going to see a process of a secure multi-data owner sharing for dynamic nodes in the cloud. In this process, we are sharing the concept of the multi-data owner environment in which each and every data user lacks the security because of the data sharing and the frequent data updations. In this concept, we achieve the secure user revocation concept through a public revocation list, and also it overcome the drawbacks of the existing digital signature mechanism and the data security mechanism in which the multi-data owner sharing lacks a uh, efficient data security and integrity mechanism. We design a secure data sharing scheme for the dynamic groups as in the untrusted cloud, and also we updated the frequent digital signature mechanism for the enhancing cloud data architecture. Next, we are going to see the flow of the process. In this process, the system architecture contains three kinds of cloud architecture. First is a data owner, another is a key generation center, and after that the cloud data storage. First, the key generation center generate a group key, and it is passed to the digital signatures process, and after that the data owners or data sharing center enable to encrypt the data, and after that it's uploaded into the cloud storage. Once the data security achieved by ease algorithm and digital signatures created using the RSA algorithm, it has been uploaded into the cloud storage. And after once it has been uploaded into the cloud storage, in order to if the data owner or the user wants to fetch the data from the cloud, he has to undergo the signature verification process, and after that he has to check whether he is a revoked or unrevoked users. Once he is the user revocation checking from the cloud servers, he has to given the private key in order to decrypt the data from the cloud storage. And that here the any number of users can able to upload only the unrevoked users can able to provide the service in order to reduce the executional overhead of the overall cloud process. Next, we are going to see the demo of the process. First, we have to run the homepage.java, in which we have to run the process. Once the user registration process, here I am running, then ID is given, and after that give store. Your record has been updated now, and after that once the records has been updated, we are going to the user sites. There are just keeping for multi-user, I am just keeping the two user here. So first the user 1 is login with the logged name. Connect it connect to key means key generation center, where the data key has been generated. So once it has been connected to the key generation center, first the records have been displayed, what are the user present in the KGC key center, and after that the connected users, his random ID, then encrypt. So once it has been logged, he has been logged in, the group key has to be generated for the group key communication. After that, this group key has to be distributed among the data owners. So there are I already told you I am keeping the two user. First user 1, for the user 1 the keys has been distributed, and after that group keys has been dispatched. Once the group key has been dispatched, go to the key, so he has been select the key. So and after that enter that group key, so in order to go for the further data security process. Once the data has once he given the correct user key, he has to select any data file. For example, he has given any the text file. For that he has to create the digital signatures by using the RSA algorithm. The digital signature has been displayed, and after that once the digital signature has been displayed, so it is the data content. So for that he has generated the data encryption is done using the AES algorithm. After that, once the digital signature and the data encryption has been done, it has been outsourced to the cloud. Before forwarding data on the cloud, we have to run the server, store, then click store, and after that go to this, click forward. So it has been, the data has been uploaded to the cloud server. Then after that give transfer. Before transferring the data, before requesting, we have to run the, suppose I am just running the user 2, he wants to, for example, he wants to fetch the data from the cloud, but he has to log in. Then I am just giving the revoked user list. Connect. And after that, it is a revocation checking. So for example, how I am checking the revocation means his access should be less than the data limit or the subscription date. Only after then he is providing the further service. For if he is if the access date is expired, then the date limitations means he is gone to the revoked user list, then he will not provide the further service. So once revocation checked by the KGC, he is provided the further operation, then he can able to request the data from the first user. Your request has been processed from the cloud server. Then go to the cloud server here, the data validation process. Once the data validation process has been updated, he can able to, the user 2 can able to decrypt the decryption request has been passed to the cloud server. Then click process. Here your files have been received. Then at last again press the process button. So then the decryption frame is opened from the user 2 side. Then click decryption. Your data has been decrypted and it has been shown. So overall process, what we have achieved this is, in the data sharing of the multi data owners, we have first create the KGC is the key generation manager to distribute the group keys, and after that he went for the data creation and the data digital signature updation, and after the data security process, and it has been outsourced in the cloud. In order to retrieve the data has been undergone the user revocation process. Only after that he is provided the correct verification process, and after that the data is decrypted from the cloud side. Thank you for watching.